I found this blow dryer in my garage and looks like it's about to go in the bin, but when I checked, it's perfectly working, except it's very sticky and dirty. So I'm gonna try today. Since I'm in 14 days isolation, I thought I could do something interesting, so I'll find this today if I can clean this one. I've got a special liquid to rub it off, and then let's see how it goes. So it's really dirty and sticky. So that's the blow dryer. Okay, so that's, yeah, over here you can see it's sticky. Yeah, it sticks my hand as well, and the other side, and the handle. Looks like it's working. All the black stuff is coming. Alright, this is what I got it. All this rubbish, dust, and the sticky bit. Alright, beautiful, shiny. Now, I believe my wife wouldn't have any problem to use this. No sticky bit, brand as new. Alright, let's do before and after. This is before and this is after. Good as new, very shiny. Time for a surprise. Let's see my wife reacts and what she says.
Wow. भयो? Thank you very much.